How to add text on NanoBanana.AI. I'm going to walk you through the step on how you can do it. Let's begin. First, on your laptop, open your favorite browser. In the search bar, type NanoBanana.AI and head over to the official website. Once the page loads, you will notice this kind of web interface. Make sure that you are already logged into your account. Now, to add text or NanoBanana AI, scroll down until you reach the AI editor section. Here you will see two options, image to image and text to image. Since we want to add text, tap on the text to image option. In the prompt field, type in your text instruction. This is where you can describe exactly what you want, like adding style, changing elements, blending image, or even modifying the background. After the writing your prompt, simply hit the Generate Now button. The NanoBanana AI will process your request and create the image based on your text input. And that's it. That's how you can quickly add text on NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.